You may now also celebrate because you are in candidate number 13. You also secure your spot. Candidate congratulations, candidate number 10. Thank you to the rest of our finalists. You did well tonight. You still look stunning and beautiful. But again, this is a competition. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 finalists. Of course, tuloy-tuloy tayo mga kaibigan. Because at this juncture, we are now going to have the final question and answer portion. Our finalists will be going to the holding area at the back part of our venue or the stage. So secured, because we are going to have one common question for everyone. So I think candidate number 1, please join me here on the stage. So, candidate number 1, kumusta naman ang pakiramdam na ikaw ay nakapasok sa top 5?
Medyo hindi na makasok ako sa top 5 na totoo nga po ba yung kasikilan ko may ang resulta na pagkakulungan.
Wow, so because you deserve it. So, nandito pa ba yung mga kasama? What barangay are you representing?
So, hello mga barangay, Color Science Zone 7.
Yan. So, sino pa ang mga kasama mo dito tonight?
My boyfriend, I don't know.
Nasa yung boyfriend mo. Okay. So,
I don't know who you are.
are we all set for the question and answer portion or the final question for candidate number 1?
Royal, thank you so much.
Just give me
Pia,
a
my dear, thank you.
If all of the other finalists are already secured. Because we are now going to flash the question on the screen. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may I request our dear audience to please behave properly or keep quiet while our candidate is trying to read and answer the question. I know we are well-disciplined individuals. So I think we are now ready. So we may now face on the LCD to read your question. Will I read it for you also? So, to read the question, in a move to promote inclusivity and equality, a lot of beauty pageants nowadays, such as the prestigious Miss Universe pageant, have allowed transgender women to participate and compete alongside natural-born women. Do you think natural-born women should be allowed to join pageants for transgender women like Miss Limongueño? Why or why not?
Thank you for that question. I think it's allowed because for me, for myself, joining the beauty pageant in waiting.
Okay, so she requested to read and again, in a move to promote inclusivity and equality.